Hello beautiful people, it's an important day and we are going to see how maize plant looks like or corn plant. So for example, plant develops from here, ends in here. This is soil, and in the inception of when plant grows from the soil, it develops here. The root so this can be recognized as brace roots or tab roots. So usually plant gets a second plant at the same time, and when a plant grows on the middle side, in the middle of the height, it usually gets another tiller. So if plant gets another stem or stalk, it will be designated as the tiller. And now every node will develop its leaf. For example, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 leaves. These leaves will be named as simple leaves or sheet. You can say the leaf has two parts. From here it will be named as leaf sheet, and this will be leaf blade. This is the same leaves, these are the same leaves. And from here maize plant develops its ear. 1 and 2, for example, this plant has the ear. And you also know that every ear has its leaf. Okay, so when ear develops, it develops the silk on the end part of the every corn fruit. This silk is the female part. This is also a female part. And on the edge, on the top edge of the plant is called as the tassel, which is male part. Tassel. And tassel has the 3 parts. One is tassel floret. Second is glume, and third is anthers. And these anthers are the male part and gets into the shape of the pollens, and from here when pollen develops and when air breeze runs or any insect, and these male pollens is transported to the silk by wind. This is called as wind pollination. Or pollination process carried by wind. So the maize crop is is a cross pollinated crop, and it usually gets into the fertilization of the fruits by wind. That is the deal when the maize plant gets the dry and the pollens applicable and viable and transported to the female part of the plant, which is silk, by the wind pollination. And then when the silk gets the pollen, the fruit develops here, and when fruit develops here, it develops the kernel. As you know, the male part of the female part of the plant is the kernel, and the kernel is the, as you know, these seeds, also named as and recognized as the seeds on the kernel on the corn plant, which can be used as the next generation for propagation or seeding or sowing, when you get the seeds from every year. Usually it gets 780 seeds from per year, and when the plant has 3 or 4 years, you will get the subsequent amount of these seeds, which is applicable for the next generation when you go towards the next sowing. So this is the basic introduction of the maize crop, how maize crop grows and will be grown for the next generation. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.